Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Here's everything else back on this side here. I'll show you the other coils. Oh, sorry, the other actuator, sorry. That's the actuator there. So I took everything apart and cleaned it. See there? I can do my best. I can't really clean all the rust off, but just make it look better than before. So that's cam covers all done. I checked the timing, that's all done. Man, I always forget to do that video because I can't film when I do the timing. I need two hands. Need to get a stand for my phone. Anyway, that's all done, everything else done here. So now what I'm gonna do now is actually replace the oil cooler in all the lines. If you do any kind of work on a 997, 2005, 6, 7, take the intake manifold off and replace the gaskets when the engine's out. Just do it even if it's nothing wrong with the actual gaskets. They are starting to play up now, and then the leaking is really hard to do in a car. Alright, so now let me show you what I'm doing. So I've removed the oil cooler out. It was leaking, oil cooler is leaking, this one here. There's the part number there for the oil cooler. Alright, let's have a look. Someone's done it before, and look at this, they put elastic. They put silicone there. That's really bad. Alright, so when you put the new cooler on, please just use the O-rings that you supply from factory. The only thing I use to actually install the O-rings is I use this part, this one here. You can use Fuchs petroleum jelly, which is that basically just gel grease, installation grease. I use that just to on the actual old O-ring before I put it on. Alright, so have a look at this. Someone's done it before from before. I'm not sure who worked on the car before, but they'll put silicone here on this actually to seal that. So that must be leaking already, and then they try to seal it up here. Once the oil cooler is distort, they do distort and start leaking from the corner. Sometimes they break inside between the oil wall and the actual coolant wall. There's a wall inside the cooler, it separates them. When they do break, then the actual oil and water mix, and you see the syrup stuff on your oil, on your coolant bottle. Alright, just a quick video to show that. I'll clean all this, and then I'm doing the starter motor cable as well. Get that done as well while the engine's out. If you got 997, get the starter motor cable done. All the hoses here, plastic hoses, vent solenoids, this one here, and all that. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.